Alright, so let's say you got your shipment, your package in the mail, and you're opening it up. So excited, guys. New product. Some 3M pads. So this is meant to be vz101814, and it should be your GT500 style in gloss black. You got some bolts and some 3M pads. So again, we are starting with a clean slate for the third spoiler install, vz101814, the GT500 spoiler in matte black. So this spoiler does come with your 3M, I don't know, patches?
Patches, pads.
Can somebody tell me what it's called?
We don't know.
I don't know.
Let us know. Please.
You wanna add some alcohol, clean it up. You could wear gloves too. Your hands might like dry up. You can sand it down too. You want to peel that off, and you want to go ahead and apply it where the holes are at. Press it down. Same thing with the center part. Again, you could buy some fresh 3M tape, like a bunch. Like, good fresh. 3M. So you do notice that you have 3 holes here. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to like bolt all of them. On the trunk of the Mustang, you do have 3 holes. Alright, so when you open it up, you could only see one. Unless you could get to the other ones. I mean, if you really want to bolt it in, you would probably have to like cut this open. But as long as you get this bolt, these 2 bolts, and this one, you should be good to go. Now take it to the car. And align your holes. There. Alright, so after you're done like applying it to the car, you could just spoil it. Does that align? So the line's there, and at the ends, yep, the line's there. Alright, so I put some masking tape. Since I already aligned the spoiler, I just want to go ahead and put some masking tape because I'm kind of doing this by myself. You could lift it up, and you could take off the protector. Then you want to set it back down. So after you set it down, you want to lift it up and then check that you're aligned. So we're good here. We're good in the middle. And you want to bring it down and press it down completely. You're going to grab your bolt and then start bolting it in. again, after you're done putting your bolts in, you could go ahead and put this all back up. You give it another pressure to the spoiler to the 3M. So we do also offer the GT500 spoiler in carbon fiber. The carbon fiber spoiler would be vz101814. It is full carbon fiber. So that's it. That's a wrap. That was the installation process for vz101814. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join our Mustang groups on Facebook.